Hello everybody, I hope everybody's well and okay. I've got Sammy here and she'll say hello to you. Say hello, Sammy. Now, welcome to my Budgie and Bird Talk. Now, and the subject is what I'm going to talk about, right? Is big quick kiss on the nose there. is do budgies fight to the death? Now, even though it's rare, it can happen. Because with our Sammy, she's a lone budgie, so it's not going to happen. And she's not going to kill me, is she? Even though she sees me as her parent. But if you've got many budgies in an aviary or a cage or whatever, and it's got a few budgies in it, the chances are higher that fights can occur. Now, usually when budgies fight, it's just sort of like arguing, bickering, even the odd peck. But there'll be wheels in motion for them to go too far, which is to kill an opponent or another reason. Now, say you've got, shall I put a number to it? Say we've got about 12 couples in the aviary. A fight can break out because of territorial reasons. It could be two hens fighting, or it could be two males fighting. But also, now hens are the bossy sex, usually with budgies. Sometimes hens can attack males. Maybe it could be because of unwanted advances from the male. And, well, if they don't want you, they don't want you. And that's it. But territory, when you've got couples in a cage and they want to breed, that's where the territory comes in. They pick their spot on where they want to lay their eggs. Now, you can get these big, massive aviaries, and they can probably hold, what, 30 budgies. And so places can get overcrowded sometimes. And it's sort of like the first in line. Now, another reason why this can happen, where budgies fight to the death, it's pretty sad. And that is if you've got a few budgies already and then you introduce a new budgie to the pack and for some reason they see this new budgie as a threat, then the new budgie could get picked on, and that doesn't end well, because if one budgie starts on the new budgie, then a gang of budgies will attack. And even sadder is if in your flock of budgies, if a budgie becomes sick, then they'll know that this budgie's sick, and they may just kill the sick budgie, because to them it's kind of like dead weight, and it's all about survival of the fittest. Okay, I know it's a really sad one, that, but it does happen, and that's why as soon as you spot a sick budgie, if you've got quite a few budgies, it's so important to separate the sick budgie from the rest of the flock. And then it's kind of like it needs its own treatment, and any diseases could pass on as well as them picking on the sick budgie, because it could all end in disaster, especially if it has got some kind of sickness or disease. You wouldn't want the rest of the flock getting it anyway. So yeah, so segregate the sick budgie and get it treatment as fast as you can. Okay. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you feel I deserve a thumbs up and a subscription, please do so. As always, it means so much. Please check out all my other content and videos, as you may find them interesting. Also, thank you very, very much to all my current subscribers and hopefully future subscribers, as you will all be amazing. As always, thank you so much for getting involved with my videos, for your comments, and getting involved, because it really, really means a great deal to me. It really does, and I do respond as soon as possible, or straight away, or as soon as I can. Okay. I'm really enjoying doing these videos for you, and I just hope you're happy with the content I'm providing. I am doing my very, very best every day to give you new content. Okay, I have been given a request. You know who you are, and I will work on that, as garlic. This request is from a person who would like me to talk about, do a video about garlic bread. So your request will be dealt with. It's a good while ago since I did make my own garlic bread. So I'll just have to familiarise again with it. But I will deal with your request when I've got more time. Okay. I don't know when it'll be though, so you'll have to be patient with me. All right. So I shall see you soon. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, whatever you're doing. Keep safe and see you very soon. This will probably be the last main video for today from me and Sammy. But thank you for all your support. Bye.